Hey everyone, this is Chris with the Texas Carry Academy. If you are looking to become a Texas licensed to carry instructor, you found the right video. So, to get information on becoming a Texas licensed to carry instructor, you would have to go to our sister website at pointblankchl.com, scroll down on the right hand side to the link that says Become an Instructor, and click on that link. This page will tell you why people come from all across the state of Texas to take our NRA Certified Instructor course. So, to become a Texas licensed to carry instructor, the state of Texas requires that you first become a NRA Certified Instructor, and that is the course that we teach. But when you come to us, you just don't get the NRA Instructor certification. We are the only instructor course in Texas that gives you the ability to offer the Texas Online LTC class. You don't even have to be approved as an online provider with the state. Very few people qualify to become online course providers, but we created a system where you can offer the online course day one of your instructor course with us. We get you set up on day one with a custom website page, and you get paid immediately for every student that enrolls in the online course through your setup that you get with us. Our system is DPS approved, and it is the only one out there in Texas that has this system, and we are the only instructor course in Texas that can give you the ability to do that. And the online training will be the biggest thing that you ever do. Not only can you offer the online Texas LTC class, you can also offer an online permanent carry class, online basic handgun class, online handgun maintenance class, AR-15 class. We have a whole online firearms education system set up, and you're able to offer all of these courses. Since permanent carry passed, our online courses have increased 300%. It's crazy. And we put you in the online training business, and we do it all for free. This is all in addition. It's what you get for taking our instructor course, and no other instructor course in Texas can put you in the online training business. So, we are worth the trip. That is the main reason people come from all over Texas to take our NRA instructor course. For one, you have to have the NRA instructor certification, and for two, they come to us because we offer something that no other instructor course in Texas can give them. On top of that, we also offer you a way to get your own website built, which you will need also eventually when you want to hold classes and stuff, when you start holding classes. And we teach you how to work the SEO on the pages on your website to where you will dominate the search in your areas like we dominate the search in our area. We teach you how to do this for free. Every day for the past 16 years, I have done nothing but mastered SEO. So I will teach you how to do that, how to dominate the search in your areas. So when people search for classes in your areas, they will find you. And I will teach you how to get into online LTC class business statewide. And all these other courses that you'll be able to offer. So you can read the information on the page here. Benefits of being an NRA certified instructor. There are a bunch of benefits there. One being the state law requires it to become an LTC instructor. Why attend our course? You can read there. We have instructors that make several $1,000s a week just offering the online course. And one of the biggest things about our NRA instructor course is to become an NRA instructor, they have prerequisites. You need three things. You first have to take the NRA basic pistol course as a student. Then you need to take the basic instructor training course. And then finally, the third thing you need is the actual instructor course. So most others hold these three separately, and they charge about $175 for each one. So we put them all together in a bundle. You come here, and we knock all three of these courses out we knock them all out. So you don't have to go around finding this course and then finding this course and then finally finding your third course. We include all 3 courses for $350, and you get the whole 9 yards. We include everything in the bundle, so we are a one-stop shop. No one else does that either. So you don't need anything before you come here. You just, a normal person with no certifications whatsoever, come to our NRA instructor course and you will receive everything you need. Anybody can become a Texas license to carry instructor. 90% of Texas LTC instructors have had 0 experience before they became an LTC instructor. They weren't police officers previously. They weren't military. They were nothing. So if you love guns, love teaching, want to become an LTC instructor, all you have to do is take our NRA instructor course and we will set you up with the rest. So at the bottom of the page, you will click View Class Dates here. That will show you our schedule, and you click and you register for a class date that meets your schedule. They fill fast, so make sure that if you see a date available, click on it, register, make it happen. We can't wait to have y'all in our instructor course. We'll see you soon.